Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Toy and on this channel we are simply cooking. So today we're just going to be making a easy pasta salad. So these are the ingredients we're gonna get the ranch and bacon by settling pasta salad. I've used 2 of those. We got some crab meat. We got some shrimp, and I just used the shrimp cocktail one. I didn't get the frozen one, that's cooked shrimp, because I don't want a lot of shrimp, and that was easier to do. So we got some bacon bits. We have our mayonnaise here. I'm going to be doing a little lemon, and we have our bacon ranch dressing. So I already washed, it's still dripping. So I already washed my pasta and I boiled it, and then I just rinsed that off with cold water. So I got water all over here, so let's go ahead and mix it up. So you want to just use the directions on your box. Just use it as a spade. So I already did that, so we don't need this anymore. So I'm just going to put that in my little garbage bowl. So that can be out of the way. And I am going to cut up. Just open our package up, and this package was in our box of our pasta salad mix. So you want to do that, and we're making a double batch, so one box only calls for half a cup of mayo. So we're going to be doing the double box. So I'm going to be using a whole cup of mayo. That there, this side. And it's just some mayonnaise. I'm doing a double batch, so I want to use a whole cup instead of half a cup. Put that in our bowl. Put that on here. I'm just going to mix that up. Just mix it up on there. And so we're just going to set that to the side. Now I'm just going to open up my shrimp. So we won't need that cocktail sauce. And I am just going to cut, well, I can just take off the tails, because I don't want those in my salad. So this is very convenient. I'm just getting a cocktail rings, and this you can find that at your supermarket. That way you don't have to get a big bag of the cooked shrimp if you're just using your shrimp for your pasta salad. So, I'm done with that. So I'm just going to cut these in half. Because I don't want some big old shrimps. I'm just cutting them in half. So I just cut those all in half. I'm gonna put those to the side. So I'm gonna open up my crab meat. And this, they're already diced up, so see, they're already in cubes. So take that out, put that in there. So now we can just get to mixing up. Push this stuff over to the side. Bring this back over here. So now we can just put our pasta in our bowl. Mix that all the way up. We don't even have to use no salt or no pepper or no seasonings because we got that from our bacon ranch pasta salad mix. So you can go ahead and put our seafood in here. I want some more bacon bits in there. My hands is wet, so it's not opening. Alright. I'm going to put some bacon bits in here. I'm going to put some of my ranch dressing with bacon. Put that in there. Always popping. So I did a little swirls of that. I'm just going to top it off with some lemons. Some of the lemon juice. You know, doing it upside for none of the seeds will get into your pasta salad. And we are all finished. Quick and easy seafood pasta salad. So I'm just going to give it a taste. Got my bowl here. Get some of that shrimp and seafood. Some of that crab. Bacon bits. I like bacon. So I'm just going to put a little more of the bacon bits on there, just on my serving. Ooh, the package was still in there. All right, let's taste it. Get some of the shrimp. There's crab on there. That is good. That is so good. It is quick and easy. Put some more on there. I'm gonna eat this later. And there you have it. Easy, quick seafood pasta salad. Well, I am going to go ahead and eat this up. But thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.